Hey, what's up, guys? This is Big Russ, and I am on my way to Hobbytown to do a little crawling because, yeah, we still have, in some places, 3 to 4 inches of snow. We got another good dusting last night, and then it froze over. It is currently 8 degrees outside, so it is icy. So, I'll see you guys when we get to the store. So I got a few minutes of runtime on video. Place started getting really packed with people just browsing. Killed both batteries in both trucks. But I will say the IR60 with those 72 millimeter comp pins, cheat code. I was hitting lines that I've never hit before. I was crawling stuff I'd never crawled before. So I'll take that as a win. I pulled a line off that the kid at the shop didn't know existed. The no-name snow tires on the TRX 4 Sport actually performed decent. I was going to run them and then run my canyon trails and see which ones were better. And unfortunately, I thought I had a full charge on my battery. I didn't. I got maybe 5 minutes out of it before it died. The IR60, I probably got about 10-15 minutes before it died. So I hope you guys enjoyed the little bit of testing I got. The scale ramp was impressive. The synthwave could only make it up on the foam side. It never could get grip on the grass. So I thought that was pretty cool. But we'll do this again, hopefully in a few weeks, probably after Christmas. I love you guys. I will see y'all then. Be safe.